Hello judges, my name is Ishan Kurwa. This is my Empower Hacks 2.0 presentation, Job Finder for college students. My experience in hackathons. So this is my first hackathon. I decided to join hackathon to get more practice at coding and to practice brainstorming and executing ideas. I know basic Python and have created a site on Google Sites before. I'm also on a solo team since I want to learn how hackathons work and if I really like them. I've done many presentations in school, but I want to get to the next level. I also decided to join a low or no code and beginner level hackathon. All about me. I live in Morrisville, North Carolina, and I'm going to 8th grade this year. I play many sports like basketball, swimming, and track, and I love math and science and do science olympiad and advanced math in my school. I also do robotics outside of school, and I'm learning Python at a beginner level currently. So what my project solves and why it is important. Well, my project solves the problem of college students not having money to support themselves. It finds jobs for students that don't have much time or don't have amazing skills. It can even find jobs with scholarships so students can get an extra income. It can adapt to any student's situation throughout college and can find ways to get the student extra income. It sets students up with enough money to get started in the real world once they are out of college. So this is a graph of the proportion of college students that are first generation. As you can see, 53 to 43% of entering students are first generation, and 46 to 34% of graduating students are first generation. This shows how many students I could really help with my project. So technical details part 1. First, it gathers the user's input data through a survey. Then my code prints lists with options for each question, and prints free time skills and items the user chose. It looks through the dataset to find which jobs match the user's data, and the dataset holds many different jobs which each have different characteristics, like free time and others. It will print many different jobs if jobs match with the user's data, like the user says 8 to 12 hours coding in PC, and we print web design, teaching code, and software developer as 3 jobs they could possibly take. Technical details part 3. We can determine and print which jobs are best for the student based on their data, and if the user puts incorrect data or the data does not match to a job, we print we cannot understand. So the user guide. First, answer survey questions about free time, skills, items. Wait for jobs that fit your situation to be printed, and choose the job you would want to pursue. So I'll show you a demo. So let's say we choose 8 to 12 hours of free time, and coding as our skill, and then a PC as our item. As you can see, the suggested jobs are web design, teaching code, and software developer. So how this project could develop after this hackathon. First, we could import a dataset with many jobs and their income and the time worked on into the code so users have more accurate results and have more factors that they can see. We can also aggregate jobs from various job websites based on the student's data, so they don't have to look through tens of websites for individual job postings. Students can also create an account and get notifications about any new jobs or related job postings matching their data. In the future, we could even integrate scholarships provided by companies into our dataset. For example, the McDonald's HACER National Scholarship Program can offer up to $100,000 in scholarships. Technical details. Technologies and tools used. For this project, code was written in Python. This project used Google Colab as the IDE, and Framer was used for the UI design. Canva was also used for the graphs. Now I'll show you the website. So this website is a mock-up, and it shows many different graphs and information about how our possible project could look in the future. As you can see, this shows find your future fast, all your information in one place, a big job dataset, a variety of data, and other things. It also has many graphs that are very visually appealing. And that's the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening to my hackathon pitch, and I hope you liked my pitch for this project.